Good morning, students. In a previous video, we have to finish motor development, fine and growth motor development also finish. Today, we have to talk about the factor affecting of motor and growth development. मीन्स क्या क्या फैक्टर अफेक्ट करते हैं इस स्टेज पर ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट करने पर. एंड सेकंड इज़ different stages, what exercises we do for growth and development. ओके अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे क्या क्या एक्सरसाइज हमें करनी चाहिए ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट के लिए. ओके नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द टॉपिक. सी इन दिस पिक्चर टुडे वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग इट, एंड नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज गाइडलाइंस at a different stages of growth and development. Okay, students, most of factor having those are affecting the development. First is nutritions. You have to see in this picture all the nutritions are there. This is the very important role of the growth or development of child. If child is doing a growth, then proper nutrition diet is having there, you have to see. Okay, second is immunity. This is very important part. You have to see corona diseases there. So our immunity is doing a very important role. Those are protect of diseases like a virus or bacteria. So our immunity is doing a very good with the help of nutrition diet and yoga also. Okay, next is environment. This is very important point. Our which type of society is there we have to moving, then our environment our is doing a very good. हमारा environment कैसा है, किस तरीके का, सोसाइटी कैसी है, किस तरीके से हमें उसमें ग्रोथ करना है, प्रॉपर ग्रोथ होता है, इसका मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रोल होता है इन्वायरमेंट का. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू नो दैट द फॉर द ग्रोथ एवरीबडी नो अबाउट द मोस्ट ऑफ फैक्टर्स इज देयर. बहुत सारे फैक्टर होते हैं इसमें जो ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट को प्रभावित करते हैं, अफेक्ट करते हैं. ओके, लाइक अ स्लीपिंग, हेरिडिटी or society, environment, immunization, recreational. Okay, and posture deformity, diseases, obesity, stressness, all are factor very more important role. So lot of factors there we have to provide in a PDF notes. You have to write in a notebook. Okay, students, now you know very well the three important factor, environment, next is this. Okay, and last is nutrition. These three important: nutrition, immunity and environment. After that most of factor is there we have to discuss. Okay, we already discussed. Now we talk about the different stages exercise for growth and development with the help of guidelines. Okay, next topic is exercise guideline for different stages for the growth and development. lot of exercises there like running, swimming, playing. Okay, yoga kriyas, at least 45-minute exercise. So we have to categorize with the ages. First we have to talk about the 1 to 2 year children, which type of exercise is doing there. You know very well, in this stage the child is doing crawling, rolling, little bit movement is doing with the help of leg and hand. In this stage you see in this picture, students hands and leg movement is doing, and these type of exercise we have to do for growth of children. Next stage is 3 to 7 year. In this stage we have to go gross development to fine motor development. We have to move after movement of big muscles, then we have to go in a small muscles or small body part movement is doing in the fine development, like kicking the ball, catching practice, catch the pencil for the writing. Okay, like this. In this stage we have to do catching practice, skipping ropes doing also. Because of that we have to catch the rope ended, and after then doing this. Okay, now we have to talk about the next stage, 8 to 12 year age. In this stage we have to do a throwing, catching, jumping, running. We have to do a combination of growth and fine exercise. This picture we have to do a gymnastic exercise also, some type of exercise also. This exercise basketball practice with, because of that we have to do a leg muscles, and after that hand, and our last one is finger movement we have to control. Okay, now we have to talk about the adolescence stage, 13 to 19. In this stage parents also encourage the talking with her, and also in this stage these type of teenagers doing a 60 to 90 minute proper exercise, and avoid the TV and videos, and discuss with the parents also in this stage. Because of that, in teenagers is very crucial stage, so we have to alert in this stage in point of view of parents. Last one is above 19. In this stage we have to doing a running, jumping, swimming, kick, kicking exercise also, judo, karate, biking, riding, etc. All of these exercise we have to do, and we have to involve at least 90 minutes. Okay, so these are the different exercise we have to maintain or doing, and you know very well, in 3 to 8 year stage children is involving the TV, so we have to do a safe and not more watching TV. इस स्टेज में हमको बच्चों को बचाना चाहिए ज़्यादा टीवी देखने से. ओके, नाउ our topic is, I think our topic is complete. A different stage of exercise. Okay, how to growth and development we have to know with the help of exercise. and also provide the notes you have to write in a notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, students.